I want you to imagine this, and it's 2003. A single astronaut, Yang Liwei. He looks down at Earth from a tiny capsule called Shenzhou 5. In that moment, China becomes the third country to send a human to space on its own. That's not a headline, that's a statement. But the story starts earlier. 1970, a little satellite named Dongfang Hong 1 beeps into orbit. It plays a song across the void. It's small, symbolic, yet it lights a fuse. Fast forward to 2011. I watch a new word enter the global vocabulary, Tiangong. Heavenly Palace, a test lab at first. Then 2016 brings a national space blueprint. Go farther, go smarter, build what lasts. 2019 flips the map. Chang'e 4 lands on the far side of the moon. The side nobody had softly touched before. That's a logistics flex. Relay satellites, precision descent, science where sunlight behaves differently. 2020 keeps pace. Chang'e 5 scoops moon rocks and brings them home. That's a ticket to the lunar past and a rehearsal for future round trips. 2021, Mars. The Tianwen-1 mission slips into orbit. Orbiter, lander, rover, zhurong, onto the red sand. Orbiter, lander, rover. First try. Meanwhile, a new space station takes shape. Tianhe, the core module, arrives in orbit in 2021. Wentian, Mengtian locks on in 2022. Crews rotate, experiments run. By 2024, a quiet pivot happens. Keqiao 2 lifts off, a relay bridge parked to help far-side lunar missions phone home. Then in 2024, Chang'e 6 books another first. Samples from the moon's far side, sealed, returned, studied. So what is China's space dream? First, capability. Launchers like the Long March families today. And a heavy lifter on the horizon, the Long March 9th, 2nd, infrastructure. Satellite mega-constellations, the Beidou Navigation Network, finished in 2020, and the Tiangong Station as a permanent foothold. Third, destination. Human boots on the moon by around 2030, plus robotic scouts mapping resources at the poles. There's also a new cast, commercial startups, chasing reusable rockets, rapid manufacturing, and cheap rides to orbit. Reuse is the word. Economics is the gravity. Why does this matter? Because space isn't just flags and footprints, it's weather data, navigation, communications, science, and yes, national prestige. When a country can build, launch, dock, land, return, and repeat, it shapes the rules of the high frontier and who gets a seat at the table. The next milestones to watch: crewed missions stacking experience on Tiangong, a big lunar lander taking shape, Chang'e 7 scouting the South Pole, and heavy lift tests that turn plans into payloads, from a beeping satellite to a palace in orbit to rocks from the moon's hidden face. That's the arc, and it's still climbing. The question isn't if or when, it's how far and who goes together. Because up there, the dream is big, and Earth is watching.